No, come here, Chad.
Oh, there you go.
Bye.
Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Amy, and we're here to help you get creative.
Guess what's back? It's been a little while.
Palette wood. Smells good. Oh yeah. Today we're going to be crafting with our craft box number 228.
Yes, we are.
And we're going to use this lovely piece of palette wood that we have lightly sanded just to get all the gunk off of it.
Yep.
To create a leash holder for our puppers.
We love our puppers.
Yes, to all the dogs out there.
This is dedicated.
This is dedicated
Box
to you.
228. All the pups.
All the pups.
All of them.
All of them.
So many pups.
Did we get your pup?
What's your pup's name? So before the box gets to you, there's a little prep work that we need to do. So we're going to show you that, and then we're going to get started and we can craft together.
Awesome, let's get to it.
All right, let's go. Time to weed.
Let's get to weeding. We're gonna do this part for you.
Yes, yes, your sticker will arrive weeded.
Yes.
We happen to think this is great fun.
Puppy.
And we are painting.
Yes,
we're
we're
not
painting.
stickering. Okay.
So we're gonna make a stencil out of this.
Say it out loud.
Look at that little puppy. You can go right there for now.
I like it.
He's so cute.
Oh wait, I can't get his tail. There we go.
Once again, we like to make our stencils the exact size of the board, so you don't have to worry about centering it or anything. I don't know where our little plates are anymore.
Oh, oh dang. We can just squeeze it on there. Oh, we have rulers.
We do have rulers. We don't need the rulers right now though. We might need a paper towel.
Okay. Well, I can.
Oh, I know where the plates are.
Where?
I'm so organized.
Oh, yay.
Hey, I found some painter's tape in there too. I'm always looking for that. All right.
You still won't remember where it is, probably.
No. The first thing we're going to do to our boards is add this antique wax to it just to make it darker. Kind of give it a stained look.
Antiqued.
Antiqued stain. Here we go.
That's what Charlie requested for
Yes. Oh, yeah.
He's monitoring us over here.
Yes. Making sure we do a very good job. It's helpful to have a paper towel.
Thank
in case you want to rub any of it off.
In case you get any splotchies.
This wood is going to just soak it up.
It is. It's very dry.
And you
Look
can
at that.
cover it completely if you want or not. I've kind of started covering it completely.
I think I am. I like how this grain is popping. I think we need some more.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's pretty.
If you don't like how dark this stain is, you can always just leave it natural too.
It went on pretty evenly though.
I love how that just, such an easy stained look.
Yep.
I wish they would come out with some different colors.
of this?
Yeah.
Different shades.
Maybe it's there and I just don't know about it.
I'll be shocked if we don't know about it. But
I know they do have a black wax. But I want more colors.
Fantastic.
Now we apply the stencil.
Yes.
So you can make sure that your paper or your transfer paper is really
Yeah, these little
going to pick up the tiny
parts.
pieces.
Yep.
And then a trick that we like to do is only pull off half of the paper on your stencil so that it'll be easier to
Okay, here we go.
Straight. Right about here.
You all right? I'm gonna
Alright, you can go first.
slide just a little better.
Okay.
There we go.
I've done it again using the brown contact paper.
Oh, brown and brown.
Wood grain.
Yep.
Putting it on a wood grain. Don't worry, you can see it. If you want to move, you want to take off your transfer paper across the board. Don't lift it up. It'll be easier to stick. Oh, this is sticking. Nice.
Oh, yeah, again, I'm having a hard time. Okay, yep, it's stuck down.
Now, if you wanted to recreate something like this yourself, we are including, it will either use the folk art wax or the Waverly antique wax. We've tried them both. They both apply the same and they look the same, so
Whatever you
either
can find.
one works.
Yep. And now we are going to paint on that. We're using Waverly chalk paint in white. Easy peasy.
Yep, get that open. Yeah,
Vacuum later.
it's not a fun project unless that happens.
Are you going to swipe or dab?
I think I might be a little more careful and dab this time since we didn't seal the edges with anything. So to help any bleeding, but this stuck down well.
It did stick down
I don't
well.
think we're gonna have much of an issue.
I feel like we haven't pounced in a while.
I know, it's been such a long time since we
Yeah.
spounced. Pounced and spounced.
Mm-hmm.
Just gotta make a good sign every now and again.
Gotta make a good sign.
I'm out of shape.
I know, like my spouncing arm is. Look at that marshmallow pup. Peel and reveal. This is the fun.
Now the most exciting and satisfying part. It's taking off that stencil and seeing what you've got underneath.
Love it.
Let's go. And that'll do it.
I love it.
On to the hooks.
The hooks. These aren't like handmade wonky like the last hooks
yeah,
were.
these are nice hooks. You found the nice hooks.
The other hooks were just playful.
So you can put your hooks wherever you'd like, but I think we're gonna space ours out in this little area over here.
With our chubby little
Our chubby
screwdriver.
Where's mine?
Where is yours?
I don't know where it disappeared.
Oh.
where it is.
I do too. Where did that stuff go though?
Here's my chubby.
They're so cute.
So I think I'll start by just placing one and then trying to make them look even. Without really stressing about
Something like that.
Because
Right.
sometimes you can just wing it and it'll be fine. If it's not exactly straight, it just reminds you that you made it homemade. A little pressure. Okay, so after the first hook, then you probably want to take a break for a day and let your arm rest.
I mean, we've spounced and we've.
I know. So
We're done for about a week.
we're gonna have to come back to this tomorrow.
Yeah.
Not really.
Not really. The inspiration is that it's so.
Yes, and fun.
No.
Oh, why was I gonna say fun?
Cute's our word.
Cute.
All right, we're gonna not make you watch us do the rest of these, but
Magic
Trust us.
of editing. We're so cheesy.
love it.
All right, so for the last step, we're going to put the little sawtooth on the back so we can hang it.
Yep.
Now, as an afterthought, possibly this should not have been the last step because we have to flip it over and our hooks are already on
That's
it.
right. Yeah. So,
So you might want to do this before you put your hooks on.
agreed.
Learn from our mistakes.
Enjoy watching us struggle now.
Yeah. If you have a ruler laying around, you could. Do we have a ruler?
I don't know, but let me check.
Sweet. We just happen to have a couple.
Almost.
My left hand doesn't work very well. Good job. Still working over here. Okay.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. You can do it.
Yay, that's good.
Well, the good news is it's not coming out.
No.
Ta-da.
Charlie approved.
Totally
I think he
approved.
likes it. Do you want this hanging for your collar
He does.
and your leash?
He likes it.
Well, this had lots of fun steps to it, and I enjoyed making this with you today.
I enjoyed making this with you today.
Charlie's like a little heater down here.
He is,
blowing
and we're
hot
already
air on our legs.
sweating.
Whew.
Leashes, collars.
Anything. Keys. Key things.
Because keys mean we're going to the P-A-R-K.
Right. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh. No.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Now, since we put all of our hooks to one side, when you hang it, you may want to put it on 2 nails.
Yes.
Just to keep it from wobbling if you have heavier leashes.
Put your heavier leash in.
Yeah. Well, if you enjoyed watching us craft today, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And we will
Yep.
see you next time.
See you next time.
Look at it. And set down. And walk away.